Okay, working on this fridge today. It's a Kenmore. Good old Kenmore. Oh, what model is it? Can't find the model number somewhere. Oh, there it is. Way down there. It's a pretty old one. I would guess it's probably 15 years, 20 years. Anyway, I got some lint piled up here in the coils. And just cleaning that out to make it run a little cooler, more efficient. Typically it happens, should be cleaned out once a year. And so the complaint was that it was leaking. And so what the problem was this drip tray was not pushed back far enough look what we found. Wonder how that got there. Anyway, so the drip tray was not pushed back far enough in order for the little dribbler tube to catch it. And so looking back here, well, what did I do with my flashlight? So the dribbler tray, or the defrost catch tray, this line sometimes gets plugged up, but it looks good because it's dripping on the floor. Anyway, that little tube there is not going in the tray, so we have to make sure that that little tube, drips down into the tray. You're missing the back panel there. But what are you gonna do? Low rent rendezvous.